Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Video games gains score and explains to drop a Final Fantasy AVE and FT collection in 2023. According to the non-fungible token company Engine, the firm has inked a deal with the Japanese entertainment conglomerate and leading video game developer Square Enix. The partnership will produce the launch of Final Fantasy V1 25,000 anniversary cards and figures on the course and network platform Affinity. Japanese software developer Square Enix to issue Final Fantasy non-fungible token set next year. Square Enix has plans to release NFT tied to the company's most popular video game series Final Fantasy in 2023. According to a press announcement streaming from Engine, the Final Fantasy video game series was released in 1987 and 60 FF times games have been found hit since then. The FF video games have been commercially successful and the 150 million copies sold have given Square Enix only $13 million revenue. The Japanese entertainment conglomerate has been interested in entering the blockchain and NFT space for quite some time. 2 days ago, Square Enix participated in a $35 million funding round for the fintech and Bitcoin payments firm Zebedee, according to Engine announcement on July 21. Square Enix and Engine will release a Final Fantasy NFT collection in 2023. Will the FF NFT series will not be released until next year. People can pre-order the commemorative action figure today at the Square Enix store. The direct physical product will include a code that can be redeemed for a digital version of the figure as using the Affinity network. A next generation blockchain for NFT powered by Engine. The Singapore company detailed for orders for the trading cards will go live later this year. Engine announcement follows merging Stallion vending Bitcoin and NFT. Square Enix Final Fantasy's digital collectibles to utilize Affinity, the open platform toolkit, NFT, AO, Engine Wallet, and Engine Beam. Engine was the first NFT company to get accepted by the United Nations Global Compact. The company also teamed up with Microsoft in order to create Microsoft Azure Heroes and Bitcoin rewards. Yes, thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.